Sign language videos can be added to your form so that questions and answer options are assigned to respondents. The result looks like this when the sign language accessibility mode is activated. The videos need to be prepared by a sign language translator and then uploaded to YouTube. This short tutorial shows you how they can then be used to make your survey available in a sign language. Select Build from the top menu and then select Form Behaviour from the left-hand menu. This is where you can activate the sign language and easy read accessibility modes. The Read Aloud mode is activated by default. It can be deactivated if required. Tick the box to activate the sign language accessibility mode and select the Build option from the top menu. You will see a new sign language button appear in the bottom right corner. Clicking on this will show the survey structure along with some additional sign language accessibility settings. By default, the app refers to International Sign. However, it is easy to specify another sign language title for your form. You can now add a sign language video to support each question. Simply select the question from the survey structure and copy the 11-character YouTube video ID into the appropriate field. You do not need to enter anything into the play label or parameters fields. The video will appear immediately. You will see that a video icon appears next to the question in the tree structure. If your video does not appear, check the visibility settings in YouTube and make sure that it's set to public. You can now test your form to see how it's working. As with the Easy Read accessibility mode, it is possible to make a page, section or question visible for a specific audience only. For instance, you may want to hide a question when sign language is activated, or only make it visible when sign language is activated. I hope you now know how to create a sign language version of your form. More information is available in the how-to guides. Finally, remember to publish your form so that your changes take effect.